afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending on your location. Yeah, today is a harvest day. I'm gonna have a bountiful harvest today. I'm going to harvest my bell pepper and normal pepper that I planted on my balcony, and I'm gonna use it to prepare a quick stew right away. Yes. So I want to carry along as I do this. Yeah, just planted these peppers on a flower vase or flower pot, whatever you call it, and they are doing pretty well. This is my second harvest, as a matter of fact. Yeah, and I believe I'm gonna harvest more in the nearest future. So let's go there as I harvest this. Okay. So I got it. So can you see? I like farming, I like agriculture, and sometimes I want to keep myself busy. Some people will tell me, I work, I don't have time for this. Yeah, but I also work. Doesn't take me ages, to do this. And as a matter of fact, is the pepper that I bought in the store that I used to, replant, to have this. Just the seed, you buy your container, go to their in your store where they have their garden session. You ask for, you look for manure that you can use to, prepare this, raise the seed. When you plant it, stays like 3 to 1 month before it starts spreading out. The only thing that I know that maybe will take your time is for you to keep watering it, Keep watering. Yeah, this is good. I'm gonna add it to the tomato and blend it and use it to prepare stew right away. This one is still ripening. I'm gonna leave that one and come back for it later. I never knew that I'm gonna harvest something to quantity, this kind of big quantity. Lord of harvest, I thank you. Okay, so let's go to blend it. Use it to prepare a quick stew for this week. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, here am I washing my bell pepper that I just harvested. Yeah, so after washing it, I'm gonna blend it with my tomato. I want to make a small stew. This is my tomato. The tomato, I've already dehydrated it with oven. I don't want to dehydrate it, boiling it on gas. So I just dehydrated it by putting it in the oven, and after blending it, I'll just go ahead and fry it. Yeah, I don't know how you prepare your own stew. Usually what we do when we blend our pepper, tomato, and my pepper includes my bell pepper, the normal pepper, we like spicy pepper, bonnet pepper, red pepper. Then we add our tatashi, which we call this bell pepper tatashi in our place. In case you hear me call tatashi, I'm referring to bell pepper. So we mix everything together with onion, ginger. Some people do use turmeric. I also use it. Not everybody uses turmeric. So you blend it together and cook it for some like 20-40 minutes, and the water dries off before it forms into paste. You know, the tin tomatoes that we use in the market, they've already dehydrated the water and turned into that tomato paste. So in my own case, when I prepare my tomato, I make use of both fresh tomatoes and paste, tomato paste. It gives me a good taste, a good flavor when I do it that way. Okay, so I've removed the seed. Usually when we prepare our bell pepper, we remove the seeds. I don't know, maybe you eat the seed in your plate. You tell me in the comment section. So it's time for me to blend it now. Thank you. These are my major ingredients for this stew. Yes, I have onion, bell pepper, tomato, ginger, garlic, bonnet pepper, and my protein. Here is our goat meat and the cow heart. Yes, cow heart. That is a mixture of goat's meat and cow heart. That's what I'm gonna use to prepare this stew for today. Okay, let's go there. Okay, family, welcome back. This is me coming back after 10 minutes, you know, to check on what we're cooking. The tomato has dried very good. You can see it. See the color. See. So at this point, I'm gonna add our meat stock, and after adding my meat stock, I will allow it to simmer like for 3 to 5 minutes before I pour in my meat. So we are getting there. Eriwa michaka. While making my stews, I like to add green bell pepper to my stew towards the end of the cooking. Usually I add onion and green bell pepper last. That's the last thing I add to the stew before putting off my gas. So let's allow this simmer like 3 minutes. So I add when it simmers like 3 minutes, I will add my beef to it, and lastly our green bell pepper and onion. Try it. You will like the taste, you will like the aroma, you will enjoy it. Yeah. Towards the end of my cooking, that's when I add my bell pepper, green bell pepper. It's good. Bell pepper is good for our health. Makes your food taste delicious. I think it's 3 minutes already. So let me add the meat so everything simmers together. Our beef, goat meat, and cow heart. That's what my taste bud crave for today. Yeah. For my subscribers that are coming back regularly to watch, to be updated with our videos, with our vlogs, I quite appreciate your coming back. God bless you. If you are new here, today is your first time of coming to my channel. Yeah, our channel is God is Able 2021. Our God is able to do all things. Yes, there is nothing too difficult for him to do. Just keep hanging on, and he will definitely answer. He will answer. Okay, you are welcome. And I will not want you to go without being a member of the family, full member. Yeah, and it's not gonna cost you anything, just for you to press the subscription button. And yeah, remember, and I want you to feel free. This is our family, okay? We are here for each other. Feel free to comment. Yeah, as long as your comment is in line with the YouTube guideline, comment guidelines. You are welcome to pour what is in your mind out. You know, we are open to learning. Advise us, tell us, you know, ways to do things better if you have any. You know, I'm not an island. I'm a human. I can make mistake. You correct me. Feel free to correct me in love. You know. And as you do so, God bless you. Please always come back to check on us, because without you, we cannot be here. Thank you so much. Our stew is almost ready. Yes. Just for us to add our green pepper and onion. This stew, we're gonna use it to eat white rice. White rice alone, white rice and beans, white yam and beans, whichever. Fried plantain, boiled plantain. We can use it to enjoy any of this. Some people that like a stew with okra, we are good to go. So it's time for us to add tested the stew, the salt content and the pepper content is okay. It's good to go for me. I know what my husband likes. Do I say that our taste buds are the same? No, actually it's not the same, because sometimes he will say that he doesn't like this, he doesn't like that. Yeah, but mostly when I cook, he eats it, enjoys it. I'm gonna allow it to simmer for some minutes, and I will see you. And as we can see, our stew is ready. Looking delicious, looking beautiful, looking tantalizing, looking appetizing, looking yummy. Yes, so the next thing is for me to boil rice. See, boil our rice that we are gonna use to eat it, enjoy it. Thank you so much for being there for us. God bless you. It's ready. Thank you so much for Thyme Magi. God bless you. I'm gonna see you in another vlog. Bye.